Naman po ay pakinggan natin ang ating vaccine czar na si Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr. para ipaalam sa taong bayan ang tatahakin ng bansa ngayong 2021 patungkol sa bakuna. Secretary Galvez.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat at nakikinig po ngayon. Ang ating pong report today will focus on the government vaccine procurement efforts. Particularly po yung status ng ating mga negotiations sa different vaccine. At saka yung kung nasaan na po tayo sa implementasyon ng ating Philippine National Roadmap. At sinabi nga po ng ating mahal na Presidente, he emphasized that the national government's goal of providing safe, effective, and free vaccines for all Filipinos. Sinasabi niya na wala pong maiiwan, walang iwanan. Ito po ang pangako ng ating mahal na Pangulo at titiyakin po ng pamahalaan na lahat ng mga kababayan po natin ay mababakunahan. The massive nationwide vaccination program is anchored on the Philippine National Vaccine Roadmap. Its goal is to achieve the full recovery of our economy and the lives of our Filipino people. This also shows the vaccine roadmap framework wherein we have emphasized yung tinatawag nating safety and efficacy, and then ang tinatawag nating yung ating key considerations for this strategic framework. This month, the Philippines and Colombia will be the first two countries to take part in WHO Solidarity Vaccine Trial. 15,000 volunteers from the Philippines will be participating in the said trial. At excited po talaga ang taga Metro Manila dahil ang target po ay 15,000 people from Metro Manila at yan po ay tanggapan po ng DOST at po ang PGH ay i-implement po ito. Ito po ay para malaman po natin na magkaroon po ng full evaluation for a safety and efficacy of the candidate vaccine. Ang gobyerno po ay may portfolio ng mga vaccines. Ibig sabihin po nito, marami po tayong pagkukunan ng bakuna sa iba-ibang mga manufacturer. Ito po ay matiyak na magkakaroon tayo ng sapat na bakuna para sa lahat, particularly this year 2021. We are now on the advanced stages on negotiations with Novavax, AstraZeneca, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson's, Sinovac, at Gamaleya. We hope to close a deal with these companies this month. At ito po ay nakikita po natin na pagka nagkaroon po tayo ng very effective na negotiation, ay mayroon po tayong mahigit na 148 na magkakaroon po ng doses. Aside from our bilateral negotiation, the Philippines stands to receive fully subsidized doses for 20% or tinatawag natin 20 million Filipinos through the COVAX facility. This is a global initiative aimed at working with vaccine manufacturers to provide countries worldwide with equitable access to safe and effective vaccines. Based on our current negotiations, we will be able to purchase at least 148 million doses from more or less seven manufacturers. However, it will be dependent on the global supply. Kung makikita po natin, countries have already procured, yung rich countries have already procured more than 80% of the global supply. Sa ilalim po ng Philippine National Vaccine Roadmap, babakunahan po natin ang humigit kumulang na 50 to 70 million na Pilipino sa loob ng taong ito. In the deployment of vaccine, our strategy will be, ang ano po natin ay magkakaroon po tayo ng prioritization sa ating mga sektor. At makikita po natin na inaano po natin ng priority eligible groups includes our healthcare workers, the vulnerable indigent senior citizens, the poor communities, the uniformed personnel, teachers, the school workers, government workers, essential workers, and also our overseas Filipinos and other remaining essential workers. The implementation of the National Vaccine Program is not the sole responsibility of the government. Batid na pamahalaan na hindi niya ito makakayang mag-isa. This is the reason why the whole of government and the whole of nation approach shall be adopted, maximizing manpower, expertise, and resources to ensure the coordinated and integrated implementation of the COVID-19 immunization program. Mahalaga po ang papel na gagampanan ng mga lokal na pamahalaan at pribadong sektor sa implementasyon ng ating vaccination program. Sinasabi po ng ating mahal Presidente, the LGUs will be in charge of identifying and profiling the priority sectors in their population and support the vaccine program's rollout, while the private sector provides invaluable technical and financial support in the procurement and the deployment of the vaccine, particularly the cold chain. In recognition of this, the President recently have approved the tripartite agreement between the national government, the LGUs, and the vaccine company. As we have said, talagang pangako po ng ating mahal na Pangulo na babakunahan po natin ang ating mga kababayan with a safe, effective, and free vaccine. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr. ng National Task Force Against COVID-19.